Hey babe, so I'm back with another video, and in today's video we are featuring Unice hair. Big thank you to Unice for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have another Bye Bye Knots wig, but as you can see, this one is different. This is a curtain bang pre-everything Bye Bye Knots wigs, bleached and customized. With that, the lace is pre-cut, hairline is pre-tweezed. Basically, everything is done for you with this collection of wigs. So of course, it did come in this really cute box. We have some lace tape, a 2-pack of HD wig caps. Also get a Unice melt band, really cute edge brush, which I have shown you in a previous video. The brush is actually removable, so when you're done with this one, you can replace it with that one. When I tell you they have made this so that anybody, and when I say anybody, I mean anybody, don't have to have any special skill to install these wigs. These wigs are 100% beginner friendly, and I mean that.
I just want to be your man, girl. So, gotta make you understand, girl.
It's the way you give your hand, ain't no stylish clothes you wear. When you walk into the room, all my partners stop and stare at you. But they just wanna push you up. It's the tattoo on your back, and that brand on your back. It can match your high heels. I can't help this girl, you swag so true. Oh, baby, you just wanna give her love. Oh, girl, I get you off my mind. You're like my favorite song. Just wanna turn you on, feel like you wanna love yourself. I just wanna be your best just to smell your perfume, got me going all my days. Seen her coming, seen her go, but never met someone as bad as you. Seems you're my favorite girl. I know just what you need to make you look complete. This black and white and gray, that's who I gotta thank for you. I'ma take you around the world. Oh, baby. Girl, I can't get you off my mind. You're like my favorite song. Just wanna turn you on. Ain't like you wanna look inside. I just wanna be your baddest
I'm thinking of a master plan. Nah, I'm blind. Shout it on my mind. Shout it like a friend. Pain. And I ain't got nothing but sweat inside my hands. So I dig it to my pocket. All my money is spent. But I don't need a cent. Cause shout it priceless. I tell it like this. I've been. So baby, I could take you. I roll up. This is the whole up. It's your money, man. Show it, maybe smile. It ain't a damn thing funny. But still don't let it move with the money. So baby, if we move, then we move with the money. Which is my favorite dish. But if I taste you, that'll probably switch. And then we will probably switch. Now I'm walking up the streets, whistling this.
Get you off my mind. You're like my favorite song. Just wanna turn you on. Ain't like you wanna love yourself. I just wanna be your baddest.
I also want to show you the back of this. So this is the back, really full. You cannot see any tracks, and when I pull everything forward like that, you still see no tracks. This is my Bye Bye Knots curtain bang wig from Unice Hair. This wig is available on Amazon. I'm going to have all the links down in the description box in case you are interested. Big thank you to everyone who has clicked on this video and who still continues to support by watching, liking, sharing, or even leaving a comment. It means so much to me. Bye.